Okay, so here is Miss Began is Extra, the how-to on what I expect for you to do. See this highlighted area? You need to try to figure out what the speed limit is. Woohoo! You're going to use our inverse operations, and you're going to put 2x equals 360 divided by 4. You're going to solve it one step at a time. So since this side just says divide, you're going to divide it. 360 divided by 4. If you don't know what that is, 36 divided by 4 is 9. Add the 0. Equals 2x. The inverse of this would be division. So you're going to divide both sides by 2. Your answer will be, I don't know. I'm not going to finish it for you. You have to figure it out and type the speed limit. Once you are finished with that one, you're going to scroll down. After I erase all this lovely stuff, it does take a little bit longer than my Promethean board at school. Please ignore the animal noises from behind. I have a cat that really wants to be my friend right now. Oh. I think it's recording. So you will scroll down. Look right here. We're going to be talking about formulas. It says when your math teacher finds the right answer. Coincidence? I think not. So you're going to use formulas that are highlighted down here so that you know which parts to do. It tells you the formula. Volume equals the big base times the big height. Type out any amount of word that you need in order to type any amount of work that you need to type into the computer. If you typed it in the calculator, you should type it on the computer. I give you the formulas to figure out the big base of the different shapes of the bottom. So if you are doing a parallelogram, you're going to replace this B with length times width. If you're finding something that has a base that is a circle, you are going to replace this B up here with this formula. So for down here, we're doing a cylinder. Which formula would you use? You would use, because the base is a circle, you would use that times height. Where do you type this? Let's see if this works. It says right here, teacher's face when you don't show your work. So you're going to type your work in here. For this particular instance, you are going to use volume equals, that should be equals, the formula that's up here, pi r squared, and I'm just going to type 3.14 times the radius it tells me is 5. I'll put 5 times 5. Whoops, that's not a 5. That is radius squared. See, radius is 5 times 5. And then it's times your overall height. In this case is h, which is 10. So you'll type all that into the computer and you will solve and put b equals whatever that answer is. I hope that this is clear. I hope that these video tutorials are helping you to understand what you're supposed to do. But this is not new material. It's material that we've been covering, but we didn't work on it as